In this section of the course, we're going to be setting up and configuring our About Us page for our company or business. So as you can see, we have our view here. We have our logo being displayed and the title or the name of our company or business. At the moment, it's just my business. We've got this big text view here, which is going to display all the information we need about our company or business. Just a quick brief example of what we do as a company, how we can benefit our clients, and this, a general short description about us and what we do. We have buttons at the bottom here. We have our contact us and social links. These buttons link to different pages within our application. The contact us links us to our last tab with all our contact stuff, which was set up in the next section of the course. And then we have our social links, which takes us to the social links page to display all of our social media websites and all that stuff, which again we set up further on in the course. But all of this is embedded or placed within a scroll view. So you can scroll up and down, as you can see here. So depending on how much information you've got, how much text, how many images or anything like that, whatever you have in there, we can display it all within the scroll view so we can make sure that it all fits in and our users can see everything that we want to display, just to tell them a little bit about us. So by the end of this section, we'll have this whole page configured and set up, ready. And it's a brilliant and smart and simple and clean way to just basically get your story across to your users, clients, or new potential customers.